Hi, my name is Lea, also known as Lea Motion. I'm a digital content creator from New York City, and today I will share with you 5 tips for better stop motion. Tip number 1, get your materials ready. I will show you how to make a homemade video. I will show you that you don't need a fancy studio, you can make it at home. So get your camera, tripod, lighting, background, everything ready before the shoot. You don't want to realize that you are missing a piece of gear during your animation. Tip number 2, it's like a part 2 of tip number 1. Have your tools ready before the shoot. I'm using a software called Dragon Frame, which helps you have a live preview of your animation. Then you can use a remote control so you don't take the risk to move the camera. That helps you go through your animation, going backward or forward. Other option, if you are shooting a stop motion outside, you don't have this tool, you can use a shutter remote with your camera. This is great. If you don't have a camera, you can use your phone. I've made like several animation with my phone. Just download the stop motion app and start animating. Tip number 3, film some BTS. So while you're shooting, have your phone on a tripod next to you, just rolling. Then you can make some time-lapse, some B-roll, some stuff like this that you will use on tutorials or you will share on your story. Also, you can screen record while you edit. You can use OBS, which is a free software. Then you have this, your BTS and your screen record to make a full tutorial and to share on social. Tip number 4, use shortcuts on post-production. Stop motion can be a very tedious process, so you want to use tools that will speed up your workflow. So you will find all those shortcuts on your keyboard. So Command plus to zoom in, Command minus to zoom out, Command left and right to go back and forth on a frame. But what I use to make my life even easier, it's this mouse, a Logitech MX Master, which lets you pre-program the buttons to, for example, go back and forth on a frame, to zoom in, zoom out, to go on your timeline, to preview your timeline. So this is a great tool to have to speed up your workflow. Tip number 5, be patient. Stop motion can be a very long process. Since it's a frame-by-frame type of animation, it can be very discouraging sometimes. One of my stop motion took 3 weeks to make, like it was cutting like frame by frame some little character. So don't be discouraged, keep going, the result is worth it. Thank you for listening to my 5 tips. I really hope it will help. As I told you, it can be discouraging sometimes, but keep creating even if you don't have any client, like just create for yourself. You can find me at Lea Motion on social. I'm sharing more tips over there and see you soon.